try a little test today of this HobbyKing stabilization unit. I'm going to try it with my Mobius camera and see if it can get rid of some of my jello. Now it's raining outside, so I can't do this test outside. So here's what I've done. I've got a camera here above my head so we can do this. I have my regular Velcro mount on my plane. I have my regular Velcro mount on my Mobius and on my 808 V3, 80816 V3. So usually I'll just mount those directly on that Velcro and fly my plane around and then use the video. Now I found this plane, this prop is incredibly unbalanced at the moment, so it generates a lot of jello. And I'm going to just, I'm just going to move this light. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. So anyway, it generates a lot of jello. So I'm going to try it with and without the mount and we'll compare the results. So first test here, and I'll mount it at the same point on the plane just to make it a fair test. Closer to the front just because that's where I would mount it. Okay, I've already got my transmitter on. Mobius is recording. Now this might be a little bit different because I'm actually holding the plane as opposed to flying it. But let's just try a couple seconds here. You can hear how loud that is. That's a very good sign that the motor itself is very badly balanced. So hopefully I'll do a little bit of motion and hopefully we'll get some jello out of that. Okay. So that's the Mobius without the mount. Now I'm going to hit stop. And I'm going to put this vibration reduction in. Put the Mobius on top of it. Hit start again. Okay, so Mobius camera with the vibration reduction. Okay, so that's it for the Mobius. I'm going to turn it off now. And I'll move that over here so I can grab my test video from it. Now let's try the 808 V3. Again, I may need to put these in the air for this test to really be effective. Oh. So the first test with the 808 V3, I'm going to remove that plate. 808 V3 on the plane. It's recording 808 V3 without. Should test that battery and see how much I've got left on. Okay, stop recording. Plate on. And on the plate. Okay, with the vibration reduction mount. And turn that camera off. Okay, so I'll shut down those two cameras. I'll grab the video and take a look at the results. Well, you've seen the video. I'd have to say, judging by what I saw, it improved the jello and the vibration for both the keychain and the Mobius cameras quite a bit. This is a very severe case of vibration. That prop is awful. It's probably even a little bit bent from some of the landings I've had. So on a plane that's pretty decent to start with just a little bit of vibration, I have no doubt that that's going to really improve things. You might be even able to get better improvements by adjusting the tension on some of the elastics. I have them a little bit tight, which might lead to more vibration or less. I don't know without playing with it, but I would say for $3 or $4, if you're having trouble with vibration, this thing might be worth buying. I'll try it out on a few flights and see how it is in the air. But my first impression of it is it was quite worth the money.